This clay tile represents Camp Dodge in Johnston. Camp Dodge was started in 1906, but by 1908 the troops were there and everything was settled, and they were training. They had a build-up in World War I. This shows a doughboy from World War I. They had a lot of history that was involved there with the influenza of 1918, and so many people came together from the Midwest and died. This is something that's rather interesting, and this is the limestone pillars and fence that's up along Beaver Drive as you drive by Camp Dodge. This was a WPA project in the 1930s that Roosevelt created work for people so that they, during the height of the Depression. These same limestones are representative of this fence that we have up in Beaver.